Hello, welcome back to the Liferay tutorial series. This is episode 3, where we will explore the Liferay Portal user interface in detail. Whether you are an admin, developer, or content manager, understanding the UI is the first step affecting using Liferay. By the end of this episode, you will be familiar with the dashboard, product menu, control panel, and site administration tools. In this episode, we aim to understand the overall structure of the Liferay UI, explore what is available after login, navigate the product menu and access key tools, understanding what a site is and how the builds are organized, and get a brief introduction to position and roles. Dashboard overview. Once the Liferay is installed, you can access it via the browser after running that on your CMD, that startup.batcat. Usually, localhost 8080, you will land into the login screen. Once you run the startup.batcat, the Liferay will be loaded in the localhost 8080. So currently it is in not logged in. So let me log in by clicking the sign in button. Here we have to enter the email ID and password which we have uh, even during the initial setup. Yeah, now I have logged in. So after login, the administrator account you can see there are welcome in the dashboard, and at the top right you will see the avatar and the search bar. This area lets you access your personal profile settings and here. In the left side, what you can see is this is the product menu. So in this product menu, like you can see there are the site. This is the site. That is the default website which is will be created in the overall installation. So this is the here we can switch to the other site. So currently we have only one website. So that is the this one. So there is one only, and this is the global. This is the another one which will be also repeated here. So this is the website name, and this is all the administrator tools for the designing and developing the website and all other options. There is a one another powerful tools which is available. So here, if you click on this right corner, you can see the control panel. This is actually a powerful tools, and then you can see the users, user organization, user groups, roles, and the sites. What are other sites? So from here you can access the sites and you can create the new sites and so the site options there. So for in here, this is like mostly more like the admin works happens from here only. Account user groups, authentication, all will be working here. Control panel is the Liferay's command center It is divided into several functions, users and organization for managing the user account and user groups, sites for creating the sites, and configuration handling the global setting, the localization of the different user. So this is a control panel overview. And from here in the again from the left corner button, we have several labels from the site builder. We can create the pages for the site and the content in data. We have the several options and the web content which is where we will be adding the website content with the HTML content and then we can add. And the web navigation menus we can add link from here. There will be several options for navigation menus which we can how to if we have to add it those things and that is there. And the permissions user roles and alerts that will be also we can add using the permission and role. So in our so control panel overview we have covered like in there we have the users and organization sites uh, configuration, content and data. The sites and page that's also we have covered. Site is actually a container of content. It would be a public website, an intranet, or a knowledge space or any digital experience. By default, Liferay Portal provided the Liferay DXA site or a community edition is a global site. From the control panel or sidebar, can send it to the site administrator inside the site and you can manage the page of your website, web content, navigation menu, permissions and roles. Roles and permissions. Permission in Liferay are incredibly granular. Every action from viewing a page to publishing the content can be restricted or allowed when using the permission. Roles are collections of permission. There are several types of roles. Regular roles apply to all users. Site roles apply within a specific site. Organization role for a groups for user groups or teams. We will explore permission configuration in more detail in the upcoming episode. That wraps up episode 3 of our Liferay tutorial series. You now understand how to navigate the portal UI, access control panel, manage site, and locate free administrative features. In the next episode, we will start building by learning how to create and manage the web content using Liferay content management tools. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more episodes. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'm happy to help.